We, Team Tech Bharat, are working on problem for development of face swap based deepfake videos. Imagine this, you are scrolling through your news feed when suddenly a video stops you in your tracks. It's the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, told me announcing another demonetization. Your heart races, your mind reels, but wait, something seems off. The President of the United States appeared on screen, gravely declaring war on Iran. Global tension skyrockets in an instant. But here's the twist, neither of these videos is real. Welcome to the age of deepfakes, where seeing is no longer believing. These aren't just clever edits or Bollywood special effects. We are talking about synthetically generated audio and video, digital content created by artificial intelligence that can make anyone appear to say or do almost anything. While it's a technological marvel, but is an also emerging
Let me dive you into the technical approach of our idea. First is input preprocessing. We begin with in OpenCV to extract individual video frames and detect faces. This helps us isolate the areas we need to analyze. Next, we use DLIP to map facial landmarks like eyes, nose, and mouth. This lets us preprocess the images by cropping and resizing them, preparing the data for deeper analysis. Then, Mesonet classification. The core of our detection pipeline is based on the Mesonet architecture. Implemented in PyTorch, this architecture is trained on well-known datasets like Face Forensics and CelebDF, giving the model the ability to recognize subtle differences between real and fake faces. Abnormality detection with GradCam. To help visualize which areas of the face are most influential in the classification, we use GradCam. What GradCam does is it generates heat maps that highlight the reason contributing to the decision, making it easier to identify unnatural features or manipulations. Attention mechanisms. Deepfakes often introduce inconsistencies in spatial facial regions like boundaries or skin texture. To address this, we integrate spatial attention layers in our model. This layer helps us focus on these critical areas, improving detection accuracy. Temporal inconsistency detection. Deepfakes can show inconsistencies over time, especially in videos. For this, we address this issue by using LSTM networks, that is long short term model, to track these temporal irregularities across frames. This allows us to support unnatural changes that occur from one frame to the next, which would not be present in authentic videos. Frequency domain analysis. Some deepfakes leave behind subtle traces that are difficult to detect in the spatial domain. That's where frequency domain analysis comes in. Using SpyPy, we perform fast Fourier transforms to detect high frequency architecture, providing another layer of detection. So then is GAN fingerprint detection. GAN stands for Generative Adversarial Network. To handle GAN generated deepfakes, we use Python forensic libraries to extract GAN fingerprints. These fingerprints are subtle statistical signatures left by the generative processes, helping us identify whether a face has been generated by a GAN or not. Basically, GAN is used both for generating the deepfakes as well as detecting the deepfakes. Reporting and visualization. Finally, our system generates clearly, easy to interpret reports. We use Matplotlib or Seaborn to create visualizations such as heat maps and graphs that present abnormalities in a way that's both understandable and actionable. So, our deepfake detection solution combines multiple advanced technologies from spatial and temporal analysis and to GAN fingerprint detection and frequency domain analysis. This multi-layered approach ensures a comprehensive and reliable detection system.
crucially, the system is optimized for speed and efficiency, capable of real-time analysis. This makes it ideally suited for integration with social media platforms, enabling proactive detection and categorization of deepfake content before it reaches the public domain. Thank you.